Good morning and happy Thursday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red, and which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag, and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is time for recitation. Today is Thursday, so that means we have Thursday and Friday to practice. Come Monday morning, we will be doing recitation during live session. So please make sure that you are practicing, and we are looking for voice variation. Go ahead and breathe in some life into your recitation. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do our recitation together. Singing by Robert Louis Stevenson. Of speckled eggs the birdie sings, and nests among the trees. The sailor sings of ropes and things in ships upon the seas. The children sing in far Japan. The children sing in Spain. The organ with the organ man is singing in the rain. And don't forget to take your bow. All righty, friends, let's go ahead. It is now time for morning meeting. So we know that the very first thing we do is we see who our student of the day will be today. So let's see. Yesterday, our student of the day was Reese. So let's see who it will be today. Today's student of the day is Jose de Alba. Come on down, Jose. So if Jose were here, the very first thing Jose would do is turn the clock to morning. Jose would then write first and last name, but because Jose is not here, Mrs. Hara will do that for him. Jose. Alba. Okay, all right, Jose. Then Mrs. Hara will give you a student of the day sticker, followed by a pointer and saying, all right, young man, you are on. And Jose would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? May. And this is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Wednesday, then that means that today is Thursday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and do our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And friends, how many months are in a year? 12 months in a year. Now, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, before we put the number 13, let's go ahead and do our ABC pattern. Trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. Trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. Trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. Trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. And and trapezoid. Now let's go ahead and help Jose with the letters in the month of May. Very first letter is capital M, Danelian A, Danelian Y. Then we're going to finger space, and what two digits are we writing? A 1 and a 3. And a 1 and a 3 makes what number? Yep, 13 followed by a, comma is a comma number? No, sillies, it is a space. And then let's go ahead and write the year. Digits, 2, 0, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and read today's date with Jose. Today's date is Thursday, May 13th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 170 days, what would today be? Well, what comes after 70? 70, 71? I don't know. Let's see. So we're going to draw out our great big bundle of 100s, followed by Mr. 10s. So 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Now, Mrs. Ones, 171. Now, let's go ahead and graph that on our days in school graph. So, in our 100s column, we are going to write a 1. In Mr. 10's column, we are going to write, we have 3, we have another 3, so 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks plus 1 more would be 7. So we are going to add a 7 in Mr. 10's column, and in Mrs. 1's column, we're going to add a 1. So now let's see if our days in school tag matches our days in school graph. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? 7 Mr. 10s? 1 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 171. Wow, that's a lot of days. What? What is that you say? We can read it from left to right and right to left. Oh my goodness, you are absolutely correct. Ding, 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 ding. That is one of our very special numbers. Alrighty, friends, it is time for Coin Cup, Coin Cup, Coin Cup. And in our Coin Cup, we have 2 coins today. We have a quarter, which is worth 25 cents. And then we have a penny that is worth 1 cent. Yeah. So we're going to do our quarters first, and then I'll show you when we change coins. Okay. 25, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53 cents. So let's go ahead and write 53 cents on our coin cup. And remember, friends, when we are writing coins, don't forget your cent sign. Otherwise, it will be incorrect. All right, friends, time for mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. All righty, Jose, I need you to pay special attention to the clues. So today, my friends, in my mystery bag, I first placed 8 dimes and 4 pennies. 8 dimes and 4 pennies. Now I will take 6 dimes and 3 pennies out of the bag. 6 dimes. Okay. So I'm taking out 6 dimes and 1, 2, 3 pennies. Now I want to know how many dimes and how many pennies are in my bag. Okay, so listen again. So today in my mystery bag, I first placed 8 dimes and 4 pennies. Okay, then I took out 6 dimes and 3 pennies. I want to know what's in here. So what do you think it is, Jose? Jose says 2 dimes and 1 penny. I don't know. First things first, let's put what I did first. So in my mystery bag, I first placed 8 dimes. So right here under coins. So right here, I'm going to put dimes and pennies. So I put 8 dimes and 4 pennies, correct? 84 cents. Then I took out 6 dimes and 3 pennies. Okay, so is that a sum or a sum went away? Aha, sum went away. All right, now let's subtract and see what our answer will be. Let me fix this right here. All right, we're going to start in our pennies column. 4 minus 3 equals, well, if we had 4, we minus 3 of them, we have 1. Okay. 8 minus 6, if we had 8, we took 6 away, what would we have? 2. So it shows that we have 2 dimes and 1 penny. Is that what Jose said? Yeah, I think you're right, but let's just double check. Hold on. Oh my goodness, my 2 looks terrible. Let's fix it. There. All right, so now, I don't know, let's check to see what we have left. Okay. It says 2 dimes and 1 penny. So let's check. Let's see, Jose, if you are correct, my friend. Ooh, look here. We have 1, 2 dimes, and 1 penny. So Jose was correct. So ding, 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 ding. Let's give Jose a round of applause. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Great job, Jose. So we now have 21 cents in our mystery bag. All right, friends, really, really quickly, let's go ahead and do our coin song. Okay, everybody get your beautiful voices ready. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100 cents. Very, very good. All righty, friends, let's look at today's pattern really, really quickly. Look here. Ooh, we have 700, 800, 900. So, of course, part of our pattern is missing. Remember the trick that I said that I taught you guys to do is 900, 800, 700, 600, 500. Okay, so we're going to start with 400 right there and see if that will complete our pattern. All right, so we have 400. Okay, 500. Okay, 400, 500. Aha, 600. Now let's see if we have completed our pattern. 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Ta-da! Very, very good. That was amazing. Now, really, really quickly, friends, I will see some of you in just a little while. If I don't see some of you, I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget that today, friends, we get to make an ocean in a bottle. Okay. Now, I tried as a scientist, I tried adding the foam fish. It didn't work. But you know what? It's okay because that is the beauty of science. Sometimes experiments work, sometimes they don't. So I think if you have some plastic little um, fishes, you might be able to fit them in there. If not, it's okay. If you don't have that, it's perfectly fine because it is still an ocean in a bottle. Make sure you send me a picture of your ocean. And don't worry about it not having any sea creatures in it. Mine doesn't. And I'm still happy with it. All right. If you choose to, that's awesome too. And look here, friends, really quickly. When your ocean is not sideways, look at what rises to the top. The oil, yeah. And friends, really quickly, you might want to tell your parents to put some kind of tape. There's like this, it's called plumber's tape. It's white. If you guys have that at home, awesome. If not, maybe if you have like some duct tape or something to close it off, because I have it closed really, really tightly. But as I'm twisting it around, I can feel that some of the oil is starting to seep out just a little bit. So just to be safe, you don't want to have oil leaking all over your house. Okay, so have your parents put a thin piece of tape all around the top part. Okay, all right, friends, see you in a bit.